Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to precision cutting and carving through metal with unparalleled ease and efficiency, nothing quite matches the prowess of a plasma cutter. These powerful machines have revolutionized metalworking, making it possible to slice through various materials like butter, leaving clean and precise cuts in their wake. With a myriad of options available in the market, choosing the right plasma cutter can be a daunting task. That's why we've done the heavy lifting for you. In this article, we will unveil the top 5 best plasma cutters that have emerged as the epitome of quality, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a professional metalworker or a D enthusiast, these plasma cutters will undoubtedly be your trusted companions in achieving impeccable results. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of top-notch plasma cutting technology and discover the machines that stand above the rest. Number 5. HeroCut CUT55P Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut CUT55P boasts a rated current of 50 amps and delivers exceptional cutting performance. It effortlessly slices through a variety of materials, including steel and aluminum, providing clean and precise cuts. The quality cutting thickness of 12 mm at 220 V and 55 amps, along with a 60 psi air pressure range, ensures that even tough tasks are tackled with ease. For those rare moments when you need to make deeper cuts, the severance cutting thickness of 16 mm is more than adequate. One of the standout features of this plasma cutter is its versatility. With an input voltage of 220 V and an input power voltage range of 220 plus or minus 10%, it adapts to different power sources effortlessly. The adjustable output current range, 15 to 55 amps, allows you to fine-tune your cutting for various materials and thicknesses. The pilot arc starting technology ensures a smooth and consistent arc initiation, making your work more efficient. The HeroCut CUT55P is a robust and durable machine with a duty cycle of 60%. It can handle extended periods of use without overheating or performance degradation. The construction is solid, and it feels like a tool that's built to last. The IP21's protection class and insulation class F further enhance its safety and longevity. Number 4. Aliexpress CUT50D Plasma Cutter. The CUT50D's cutting performance is outstanding. The HF high-frequency arc start method ensures quick and precise ignition, which is crucial when working with various metals. I found that it effortlessly cut through a variety of metals, including steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, with clean and precise cuts. The 50-60 Hz HF frequency setting provides versatility, allowing you to adapt to different materials and thicknesses with ease. This feature alone makes it a valuable tool for metalworkers of all levels. The overall build quality of the Aliexpress CUT50D is solid. It comes with an IP21's protection class, which means it is protected against solid objects and vertical water droplets, making it suitable for most workshop environments. The unit's insulation class of H ensures that it can handle the heat generated during prolonged use. However, I did notice that the cooling fan can get a bit loud during extended cutting sessions, but this is a minor concern considering its excellent performance. One of the standout features of the CUT50D is its user-friendliness. It is relatively compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport and set up in different locations. The simple control panel is intuitive, with clear labeling and easy-to-adjust settings for both amperage and air pressure. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced metalworker, you'll appreciate how straightforward it is to operate this plasma cutter. Number 3. Aliexpress CUT50Y Prox Plasma Cutter. The first thing that caught my eye was the sturdy construction and well-thought-out design of this plasma cutter. The dimensions 430,175,265 are just right, making it easy to move around my workshop and store when not in use. The build quality is top-notch, and it feels like a durable and robust machine that can handle various cutting tasks. The CUT50Y Prox boasts a rated current of 45 A, and it lives up to its promise. The cutting performance is outstanding. It effortlessly slices through various metals, including steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, leaving clean and precise cuts. The 220 V input voltage and 50-60 Hz frequency provide a consistent power supply, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. One of the standout features of this plasma cutter is its user-friendliness. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find it relatively easy to set up and operate. The clear and concise user manual provides step-by-step instructions for setup and adjustments, making it accessible for both novices and experienced users. Number 2. Hitbox HBC 5500 Plasma Cutter. One of the standout features of the HBC 5500 is its exceptional cutting precision. Whether you're working with carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or copper, This plasma cutter delivers clean and precise cuts effortlessly. The rated output current of 60A ensures that you can handle a wide range of materials and thicknesses with ease. I've used it for intricate designs on thin sheets as well as heavy-duty tasks, and it has never disappointed. The HBC 5500 is a master when it comes to clean cuts. It can effortlessly slice through materials up to 12 millimeters thick, leaving behind smooth edges that require minimal post-processing. This level of clean cutting is a testament to its DC motor and advanced technology, making it a go-to tool for any professional or D enthusiast. Weighing in at just 8.5 kg and boasting dimensions of 425,255,305 mm, the HBC 5500 is both compact and lightweight, making it highly portable and easy to transport to job sites. Despite its smaller size, it doesn't compromise on durability. The construction is solid, and the machine feels built to last. Number 1. ChemAuCut 100M Plasma Cutter. The ChemAuCut 100M boasts a rated current of 100A, making it suitable for a wide range of cutting tasks. Whether you're working with thin sheets or thick metal plates, this cutter handles it with ease. The precision and speed at which it cuts through various materials are truly commendable. It consistently delivers clean, smooth cuts without any noticeable distortion, leaving behind minimal slag. Setting up the ChemAuCut 100M was relatively straightforward. The clear and concise user manual provided all the necessary information, and I had it up and running in no time. However, I deducted half a point because it requires a 380V input voltage, which may not be readily available in all workshop settings. Make sure you have the appropriate power supply in place before purchasing this machine. The build quality of this plasma cutter is robust and designed to withstand the rigors of industrial use. I've put it through some demanding projects, and it has held up well so far. However, it's important to perform regular maintenance to keep it in top condition. A bit more information on maintenance procedures and the manual would be appreciated. Thanks for watching this video.